Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to get a discount on purchasing Vsub AI using the Vsub discount code easily, quickly, and guaranteed. You'll use the code Sabino and I'll show you how to do it. First step is to access the official Vsub link that's in the description of this video. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the official Vsub website, and then click on Get Started Free. Next, you will click on Upgrade and choose your plan. As soon as you choose the plan, this window will open where you will enter the discount code that really works. Type the word Sabino, it can be in uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter, and click on Apply. Done! Your discount has been applied. Attention! The codes are temporary and expire quickly. You cannot leave this page without completing the purchase. Otherwise, the discount will be reset. Choose the payment method, enter your details, and you're done. Now you can enjoy the benefits of your Vsub plan. Remember that the official Vsub link and the code Sabino are in the description of the video.